Let me teach you how to make a simple but very effective lightening body oil that will not clog your skin pores. This body oil will help to seal in moisture while evening out your skin tone if used appropriately. If this is something that you would like to learn, do well to watch this video till the very end. Registrations to join any of our classes, both physically and online, is currently ongoing. You can join our classes from anywhere you are in the world. And if you're coming for our classes physically, we're located in the city of Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. If you're outside Port Harcourt, we have a very comfortable hostel accommodation for you, even though at an extra fee, but your comfort is priority. Fully air-conditioned, neat, fully serviced apartment just for your comfort and your learning pleasure. Send a message to the WhatsApp number on your screen right now for you to enroll for any of our courses, online or physically. We have courses that span from skincare to hair care to perfume production to feminine care products, weight gain, weight loss products. We also teach basic spa and advanced spa. You can learn physically again or you can learn online. Send us a message right now to secure your slots. So first thing first, we're going to be adding in our base oil. And for my base oil, I am working with the sweet almond oil. So I'm working with the sweet almond oil because it is very heat compatible, which means it can do well with heat. And the active ingredients that we're going to be working with for this particular formula needs heat to dissolve. So when you're choosing your base oil, you want to go for a good oil that has good thermal ability. You want to go for an oil that has a low comedogenic rating. You want to go for an oil that is lightweight. You want to go for an oil that is equally easily accessible, because especially if you're doing this for commercial purpose, you don't want to use one oil today and use another different oil tomorrow, because that will give your client or your customers a different feeling. So make sure that these different features that I've mentioned are well observed when you're choosing your base oil. Your base oil is usually the oil with the highest percentage when you're formulating any body oil at all. If you do not know anything about picking base oils, if you do not know anything about formulating body oils, then this is your cue to send us a message right now to get registered for any of our classes, online or physically. Up next, we're going to be going in with our kojic acid dipalmitate. Now, kojic acid dipalmitate is a very good skin lightener. It's a tyrosinase inhibitor. It will help to inhibit the activities of the melanin hormone in your skin, which will in turn help to lighten up the skin. If you do not know how skin lightening takes place when there is an undersecretion of melanin hormone. So when you're talking about skin lightening, you're talking about slowing down the process of melanin distribution in the skin, not stopping it, but slowing it down to ensure that on the outside or on the epidermis, you have a brighter, much more relaxed looking tone. Once you've added this, the next thing you want to do is you want to take it over to the double boiler or to your heats and double boil. You don't want to dissolve that over direct heat. You want to ensure that everything is properly dissolved, especially the kojic acid. The kojic acid is fully dissolved. Once it is fully dissolved, the next thing you want to do is allow the dissolved solution cool down for a while, and then you start adding in the cool down active. Now, the very first ingredient we're adding after it cools down is our jojoba oil. Now, jojoba oil is a very moisturizing oil. This is a skin lightening oil, so you want to ensure that this product is super moisturizing to make up for whatever effects that the active ingredient in this product is going to do to the skin. So jojoba oil seems like the best oil to pair with our base oil. Look, you can use any carrier oil of your choice, but for me, this is exactly the oil that I want to work with because, like I said, it is a super moisturizing oil. Now, it took this form because the oil was still a bit slightly hot when we added in the jojoba oil. And that was because we were working with time and, NEPA. We did not want to hear that NEPA took the light while we were still working. So I added everything, but allow yours cool down. Allow yours cool down so that you don't have this thickening butter-like effect. Up next, we're going in with our shea nut oil. Shea nut oil is still gotten from the same nuts that delivers shea butter. Do I need to expatiate on the benefit of shea? Shea does not only nourish the skin, it moisturizes the skin, it helps to repair the skin. So this is very, very ideal, especially if you're dealing with stretch marks. It is going to help. I'm not saying it's going to fade. I said it is going to what? It's going to help. So while it is trying to even out your skin tone, it is also going to be helping with skin repair. Up next, we're going to be going in with carrot oil. Now, carrot oil is a very good skin brightening oil. Carrot oil alone will not lighten your skin. So if you're one of those people that keep bragging about how, oh, you're just using carrot oil on your skin and it's doing da 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 da, carrot oil is not doing anything on your skin. Take that from me. It is a delusional thinking. So carrot oil will brighten the skin, but carrot oil on its own will not effectively brighten your skin. Let us stop lying to ourselves. So we're going to add in carrot oil to this oil formula for its brightening and lightening properties. So it is just one of the ingredients to your skin lightening oil. It is not a major player for skin lightening. Up next, we're going to be adding in fractionated coconut oil. Now, fractionated coconut oil is a lighter form of coconut oil that will give you all the skin's benefits that coconut oil have to give. Now, coconut oil has been positioned over the years as the skin's best thing, but please, let me point this out. Coconut oil is not the oil that you want to use for your face or for your skin directly, because pure coconut oil has a very high comedogenic rating, which means it has the ability or it has the potentials to clog your skin pores. It has a comedogenic rating of 4. It is a very, very heavy oil. It is not ideal for every skin type, especially if you're already an acne-prone skin person or you're somebody that is already very oily skinned. Coconut oil is not the best thing that will happen to your skin. So please, coconut oil is ideal for very dry skin people or people with not so much acne-prone skin. It is not a bad skincare ingredient, but I'm just trying to demystify it the way it's been positioned to all of us. You know how we've made it the king of skincare, every little thing, coconut oil. It is not the way it is. Coconut oil, again, has a high comedogenic rating and is not ideal for every skin type. So if you're one of those people that have idolized coconut oil without knowing your skin type or understanding your skin, that might just be the reason why your skin keeps breaking out. Up next, we're going to be adding in our essential oil. We're going to be adding in our lavender essential oil. Now, essential oil is a fragrance oil. So after adding your lavender essential oil, you literally have no reason to add in fragrance oil again, unless you want it to just be like a heavily scented oil. But with this 1% of lavender oil, you are absolutely more than good to go. Finally, we're going to be adding in our tocopherol. Now, tocopherol is a version of vitamin A. It's an antioxidant. It is going to help to prolong and preserve the shelf life of this product. You know, for oil-based products, we do not use preservatives. We work with antioxidants. And when I say use vitamin E, I'm totally referring to tocopherol, not vitamin E carrier oil. And just like that, you've made yourself a super moisturizing, super nourishing, wonderful, simple yet effective lightening body oil. If you learned one or two from this video and you would like to see more videos like this, do not forget to hit the follow button. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to hit the whatever button depending on where you're watching. You can see this video on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Hit the subscribe button. That will be a wonderful, marvelous way for you to support this vision. And again, if you want to register for any of our classes online or physically, do also send us a message to the WhatsApp number displayed on your screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.